The letters H and R were added to the Samoan alphabet to accommodate other languages. A lot of times you see someone that you think is Samoan and they got a Samoanish looking name, but they got an H in it. More than likely they're Tongan or they got a Tongan name. Even the way the Tonga is spelled with the N and the G, in Samoan, we don't need an N and a G because the G is pronounced ng, like there is an N and a G. Palagi, no. Paalangi. There's no hard G words in Samoan. If you hear a hard G, g, then it's not a Samoan word or they're pronouncing it wrong. Paalangi. Words like aro or gold is pulled from Latin. You see it in a lot of languages, including Samoan. The last is K, pronounced K. The alphabet is pronounced Ka. The reason why I say Ke in videos is to open a new discussion. The person that took the time to teach me taught me Ke. Were they wrong? Probably, but they did more than what most people do, and that's just mock the person that's trying to learn instead of just teaching them. Whether you learn Ke or Ka, you can talk about it in the comments. I've been doing that trick for about 5 years now. I know it's clickbaity, but it helps with the engagement. Anyway, these are the questions that are on the Samoan Monopoly game. Check it out.